Hi guys! Good morning! So, it's Monday. So, ang first subject nila, first class is motor skills. Parang arts, ganun. Ayan ang aking baby, oh. Diba? Dahil wala kami yung paper plate ba yun, dito sa pinggan. Ayan, ayan na. Ayun ang isusubmit niya. Ginawa namin. Parang ano siya, fingerprint at artwork. Show it. So, ito ang ginawa namin. So, ito, ayan, yan. Oh, mas maganda pa. Why you use making is a letter? You draw. So, ito ang artwork ng aking baby. Yan, fingerprint. Diba? Yan na. Para less color, ganyan lang. 3 kulay lang ang ginamit ko. Alam nyo ba, yung una kong biniling paint color, ayan. Tingnan nyo. Ubos. Pinaglaruan niya dito sa table. Dito siya sa table talaga nag-drawing. So, ito ang ipapasa niya sa kanyang teacher. Parang siya arts, pero hindi arts. Kasi may arts pa eh. Ang tawag nila sa dito is motor skills. Ganun. Guys, now is Tuesday. Ayan ang kanyang ginagawa. Microphone. It's a xylophone. Different color. Waiting siya ng teacher.
What made?
What's that? A water xylophone.
Oh, I do so.
Oh, go. Play it. Hit the bottle.
Wow.
No.
Carrot.
Hello, it's Wednesday. So, ayan ang baby ko. Nag-aaway kami dahil gusto niya lagi is color blue. You cannot put everything is a blue. Look, it's a blue cucumber. Blue pepper. How can it be? Purple watermelon.
Do you want this?
I don't want.
Watermelon.
Everything is blue. You need to you need to put the right color.
Oh.
It's Wednesday. So second class, may isa pa siyang class after this, literacy. Literacy is English class. This is discovery is science class. Yun ang mga tawag sa kanila. So, ang baby ko is my 8 subject, pero everyday is 3 subject lang. Pero all in all is 8 subjects siya.
Okay, another pink mushroom.
Hilig-hilig mag-drawing ng ganyan. So, pag drawing, ang niya, asipag niya. Pero pag writing na, yun, iyakan na kaming dalawa. At ayaw magsulat. Tamad magsulat. What's that, Eugene?
Potato.
Minsan naanok sa ng kanyang teacher. What is this? What is this?
Was so fast.
Ew.
Good.
Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
another one. Tomato.
What are you drawing, baby? What's that, baby? Baby, tell me what is this? What is this? Tingnan.
Wow, good job. Good job, Arisha. Okay.
So guys, ito, nakalabas na naman kami. Lalakad kami, papunta kami ng train. So, ang sasakyan daw namin is KTM. So, parang yun ang pinakamabilis na kasi hindi siya yung mga station niya ba malalayo, guys. So, tara na. Nandito na kami sa Salaxilatans KTM station, guys. Ayan ang aking my love. So, lakad kami ng medyo malayo. Ayan, guys. Nandito kami sa KTM and the train is here. Here is okay. Let's go, guys. Nakain kami ng ramen. Eugene, where are we going? Yes, where? Where are we going? Tell me. Hi guys, so I don't know, kakain daw kami ng ramen. So ang layo-layo ng nilakad namin. Oh my god, parang ano lang to, residential area. So guys, nag-straight ako ng buhok ngayon, kulot na. Sa layo ng nilakad namin. Nag-crave sa ramen. Mura daw dito. Ang layo naman, napakalayo naman. Ayun. Ewan ko paano niya ito na-search. Kalayo. Ito ata yun. Parang karinderya lang naman. Oh my god. So, ito na nga yun. Uncle Sue. Thank you. Didn't see it.
Oh, you
No, you don't need it. What is this flavor? Sesame oil? Sesame? Good. So guys, ito pauwi na kami. Ayan, kami na. Nasa ano kami, MRT, yung driverless train. So nandito si Eugene sa pinakaunahan at gustong gusto niya lagi dito sa unahan kasi nakikita niya ba yung ano, playlist. Ayan, ganyan siya, o, diba? Feel na feel niya dyan. Hindi siya natatakot. So guys, tara, pauwi na tayo. Ito ay driverless train.
Untuk keselamatan anda, sila gunakan pelengkap pada setiap masa. For your safety, kindly grab the hand